If you use your truck for hauling, working, or just everyday driving, a good truck bed liner can help protect it from scratches, dents, and weather damage, but with so many types, it can be tough to know which one's right for your needs. So in this video, I'll go over the 6 best truck bed liners for 2025. Whether you're after something budget-friendly, extra rugged, fully weatherproof, or cushioned for fragile loads, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the truck bed liners mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 6 is the Custom Coat Spray-On Kit. This is the most budget-friendly truck bed liner on our list. It comes with a 24 fluid ounce can of black truck bed liner base and an 8 fluid ounce hardener. Together, they cover about 110 to 130 square feet, which is enough for most standard truck beds at a 10 mil wet film thickness. Another thing I like about this liner is its flexibility. Unlike some tougher, more rigid coatings, this is a 2-part urethane that remains flexible after drying, so it's less likely to chip or crack when you're loading heavy gear or facing bumps on the road. It also offers great impact protection and abrasion resistance, which are must-haves for any truck bed liner. Plus, it's heat, UV, and waterproof, which helps protect the metal underneath from rust and weather damage. Another great feature is its versatility. Beyond truck beds, you can spray it on bumpers, trailers, toolboxes, even concrete floors and docks. It also dampens sound and vibrations, which is a plus if you're sensitive to noise. Also, the kit gives you the choice of applying with a spray gun or paint roller, depending on the finish you want. On top of that, it offers over 50 colors with tint concentrates if you want to personalize your liner beyond the usual black. Overall, if you are looking for a budget-friendly truck bed liner that offers professional-level protection, this one is the best pick for you. Number 5 is the Husky Liners Custom Bed Liner. This is the best rugged bed liner on our list. It's built with rubberized DuraGrip HD material that strikes a great balance between strength and cushioning. Unlike harder plastic liners, this one absorbs impacts well, which not only protects the truck bed but also gives your knees a break when you're working in the bed. Another thing I like is the air-dry nibs on the underside. These tiny feet lift the mat slightly off the truck bed, letting air flow underneath. This circulation keeps moisture from building up and helps prevent rust. Also, the top side is textured for traction so your cargo won't slide around, which makes it a safer and more stable option compared to some spray-on liners. Now, it's easy to install too. Just lay it in, and it fits snugly for specific truck models. When it's time to clean, just hose it down. The material resists most chemicals, so it stays looking fresh with minimal effort. Plus, Husky backs it with a lifetime guarantee that shows confidence in its durability. That guarantee, combined with the rugged rubberized build, makes it perfect for those who want a bed liner that won't give up, no matter how rough the job gets. So, if you want a rugged bed liner that's easy to remove and clean, this one is the top pick for you. Number 4 is the Herculiner Bed Liner Kit. This is the best roll-on bed liner on our list. It includes 1 gallon of ready-to-use polyurethane coating, 2 rollers, a brush, a roller handle, and an abrasive pad for prepping your truck bed. Another great thing about this liner is its thickness. It's about 5 times thicker than many other roll-ons. This extra thickness gives it excellent durability and a textured, skid-resistant finish that won't chip, flake, or peel over time. Once applied, it dries in about 24 hours with light use possible after 10 to 12 hours, which makes it fairly quick to get your truck back on the road. Now, the prep work is crucial here. You need to clean, sand, and tape your truck bed carefully to ensure the coating bonds well. It works on a wide variety of surfaces, including metal, concrete, wood, fiberglass, and some plastics, so it's not limited to just truck beds. Another advantage is that it's a brush and roller system, giving you more control over coverage and texture compared to sprays. You can reach corners and seams easily, and the included abrasive pad helps get the surface ready for a strong bond. While it's a bit more hands-on than some spray kits, the result is very tough and professional. Overall, if you want a thicker, more textured surface that you apply yourself, this one is the best roll-on option on our list. And if you want to know the latest prices of the truck bed liners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way, I earn a small commission while the price stays the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos. Number 3 is the Rust-Oleum Professional Grade Truck Bed Liner. This is the best weatherproof bed liner on our list. It's an epoxy-based coating designed to protect full 8-foot truck beds and beyond, and offers strong resistance against rust, water, abrasion, and fading. Another thing I like is its cross-linking technology, which creates a tough, impact-resistant barrier. This is especially important if your truck faces heavy rain, snow, or UV exposure because it helps keep the metal underneath in good shape while maintaining the liner's appearance. Now, its textured finish also provides a non-slip surface, which helps keep your cargo steady during transport. It's walk-on ready after just 24 hours, making it quick to return your truck to use. Plus, it can be applied not only on truck beds, but also on ramps, running boards, and trailers, which adds to its versatility. However, proper prep is essential for this one too. You can start by sanding off gloss and loose paint, and then clean thoroughly to make sure the coating sticks. Also, it's available in spray aerosol form for easy application in tight spots, and brush-on or roller formats for more control and larger coverage. Overall, if you are looking for a weatherproof liner that could give you an added layer of protection, this one is the solid choice. Number 2 is the Bedrug Classic Bed Liner. This is the best cushioned liner on our list. It's made from a 3/4 inch thick polypropylene foam that absorbs impact and keeps cargo from sliding around. This makes it much easier on your knees and cargo compared to hard liners. This liner is waterproof and chemical resistant, so water flows out through factory drain holes and dries in about 20 minutes. It also resists stains and mildew, meaning it stays fresh with just a quick hose down or vacuuming. Now, it also installs quickly with basic tools. It fits perfectly to specific truck models and still allows full access to factory tie-downs. This custom fit helps keep the liner in place and prevents debris from collecting between the liner and the truck bed. It's a softer alternative to rigid liners and is especially great for hauling pets or fragile items that need extra cushioning. And the skid-resistant surface ensures things don't slide around on bumpy roads. While it doesn't offer the ultra-thick protection of spray-on or roll-on liners, it offers a level of comfort that's hard to beat. As Daryl wrote, "This bed liner is so nice, it was easy to install and is super comfortable to kneel on. It is also very durable." Overall, if you want a cushioned liner that protects your truck bed and your knees at the same time, this one is the best option for you. Number 1 is the U-POL Raptor. This is the best overall truck bed liner on our list. It's a 2-component urethane system that resists stains, scratches, rust, and extreme temperatures while remaining flexible enough to reduce road noise and vibration. The kit includes 4 750-milliliter bottles of black base, a 1-liter hardener, and a spray gun covering up to an 8-foot truck bed. You can also roll or brush it on if you want a custom texture. Another thing I like is the rapid drying formula that allows multiple coats in just about an hour, which means less downtime. This also bonds well to OEM paint and self-etching primers for a professional and long-lasting finish. And its UV-resistant and tintable formula keeps the color looking fresh without fading over time. Beyond truck beds, it's versatile enough for undercoatings, trailers, boats, and more. It creates a waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and impact-proof layer that handles heavy-duty use, chemical exposure, and wear better than many other liners. Compared to other kits on the list, this one offers quick application, long-lasting protection, and professional results. That makes it the best all-around choice for those serious about protecting their truck. Overall, if you want a truck bed liner that combines durability, ease of use, and reliable protection, this is the overall best option to buy on our list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect truck bed liner for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a truck bed liner you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.